So this country called Spain, we must pray for their railway system. We must pray for their railway system. Spain. The thing which we must pray for in their railway system is the signal processing part of the railway system, that it does not fail at a critical moment when a certain train or trains are moving. There is something which I saw in a vision involving a train or trains in Spain. So we must pray for those in charge of signal processing in Spain to revamp the system, because these are human systems. Many times we take it for granted that since they operate more than half the time, that they will always operate. But we need to pray. So I don't want to say a lot of things. Maybe we can choose, for those who are not fasting, we can choose tomorrow and Friday to fast for the railway network in Spain there, so that whatever mishap is in their systems, it will be corrected. Because there's something which I saw in a vision. It's something which can be easily corrected. Yes. It's something which can be easily corrected. Yes. So, if the signal processing fails, it will clear a certain train to move when another train is coming. So, or it will clear a certain train to move when tracks are not prepared for that train which is coming, the tracks where the train is moving. So we must pray for Spain. We must pray for extra vigilance. We can fast for 2 days. Some of us were already praying for Kenya. So you can fast Thursday, Friday. We lift up Spain before God. And the people will be traveling in these 2 trains that I saw in a vision. We pray against derailment or failure in signals, in the signal processing part of the system. In Jesus' mighty name. Yes.